Automating your email marketing efforts. A good email marketing strategy is more than just sending emails to get new customers. Smart companies are using automatic email marketing campaigns. These are sent at the right time and to the right people, which gets more people to open emails. A good email marketing strategy should allow you to do your marketing tasks automatically. That way, your campaigns are working all the time and thus make more money. Why automate your campaigns? Email marketing automation is a process in which software can manage the segmentation of emails and handle different tasks to maintain a good relationship with subscribers so they can become customers. When you automate the process of email marketing, you can achieve better results and increase sales, all while saving time and money. How can email marketing automation improve your business? It is necessary to nurture the relationship with your customers so that they can become buyers. With automation, you can collect customer data and learn their actions and interests. This automation brings benefits to your business, like the following. You can segment customers according to their actions. Email marketing automation tools let you learn the actions of users when they register, when they click on a specific link, when they review a free consultancy, and other actions that will help segment the audience. You can optimize resources. It reduces the need for staff to check emails. You can create different campaigns and activate them at the same time. You can create several campaigns at the same time and schedule them to be sent according to a specific action of a client. You can get more high-quality customers. These automated processes make communication with potential customers more efficient, so you can get closer to them, make them trust you, and get them to buy your products or services. The conversion can be analyzed. Since you can monitor the behavior of subscribers, you can follow conversions automatically and learn how many readers become buyers. Automated management helps improve the productivity of your business. When you use email marketing automation correctly, there will be more conversion, which means more sales and more money. Email marketing automation tools, their features and benefits. Some of the most popular email marketing automation tools are Aweber.com. Aweber is an email marketing service provider which captures your subscribers' data by creating a list so that you can maintain contact with them and convert them into buyers. It's very easy to use with professional results. You can segment lists to create smaller lists. You can submit custom campaigns. It has many subscription forms. It has lots of templates to design emails, allows the administration of subscribers, and allows tracking of results. GetResponse.com. GetResponse is a simple platform that makes email advertising easier, allowing you to schedule emails to save time, get closer to your contacts, and increase sales. Its handling is easy. It's a powerful email creator. It has more than 500 templates to design different types of campaigns. It has more than 1,000 images to design different types of emails. It has an image editor, allows testing, allows you to schedule emails. It has an autoresponder. You can create landing pages, has a help center, allows integration with social networks. It also allows you to integrate Google Analytics. MailChimp.com. MailChimp is a powerful marketing tool that helps to keep constant contact with subscribers through email campaigns and allows the analysis of results. You can create your own forms with it. You can add forms to your website. Campaigns can be targeted by email lists. You can make custom lists. It has an autoresponder. It allows you to schedule emails and campaigns. It has default templates for personalizing emails. Users who are unsubscribing can be automatically managed. It gives you the option of integrating Google Analytics, and it gives full campaign reports to measure results. ActiveCampaign.com. ActiveCampaign is an email marketing tool with which you can track your contacts to create a trustworthy professional relationship with them through emails. Does normal targeting. Sends custom emails based on your targeting. Analyzes all data. It's easy to use. It has a very complete email editor and lets you track all contacts. VerticalResponse.com. Vertical Response is a fast, simple, and very useful email marketing service that allows you to manage lists, design campaigns, and monitor results. It's simple and easy to use, has a variety of custom templates, allows the creation of corporate reports. It has a capacity of 25 megabytes to store images, and it can be integrated with Google Analytics.